Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today for unboxing from China I have some rulers just bought for testing because they are very cheap, about $3-4 each one. This time I have bought them from Temu. It may be more famous in foreign countries than Taobao. Let's unbox, check how precise they're, how the quality is. Hope they will be good. Okay, let's look at what we have inside. I have about 3 rulers for different application. Just this. All they come in one package, but each one of them in separate. I will unbox all of them. Then we will look more closer on each of them. As well, I have bought one special key for plumbing works. I hope this one a little bigger and with metric. They sent me with imperial one, as I remember I have bought with metric ruler. In the pictures and in the description, this is multi-tool for several applications in plumbing work, to unscrew rubber fittings. So let's put aside this and look closer to the rulers for each of them. This one, T100, means that maximum you can mark with this ruler 100 millimeter, and on each millimeter here we can see holes starting from 5 millimeter, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and etc. for each one of them. So let's try it. I have two pencils, one 0.7 and the second one is 0.5. Why I take both of them? Because I have another more quality version of this, and I can work only with 0.5. The hole fits very well with that size. This made from aluminum and anodized painting, green one. So the color is up to your taste, not so pleasing for me, but it's nothing if it's precise and works well. Let's try again with 0.5. So when I put, you can see it's very loose. So when I will take, as you can see, because of the looseness of it, the line is not really straight, but if you work and used to it, maybe it will become more comfortable for you. On this one, 7, this a little bit tighter feel, but again loose. Let's try, for example, 35 millimeter. It's very nice thing for easy and fast marking on your work. As I know, they copied it from American famous woodpeckers brand, but the price compared with woodpeckers much more cheaper. And for example, 69, 35. This is very precise ruler from Axminster, English famous shop. As you can see, it's 35 millimeter precise, and this one you can see here flash 69. So it's quite precise. Nice to see that. I think the rest of the holes will be precise because some machine doing all these holes. So if couple of them precise, the rest also will be precise, but the hole size quite big. I will measure the diameter of that hole. Just let me to take a clipper. So it's about 1.3 millimeters, it seems. 35, 33. I will put links for each of them in the description of this video if you are interested. 1.35. So if you have a pencil with such a tip, this 1.1, so you can and this one 0.9. I think they have this pencil 0.9. I think 0.9 will fit to this much better. So let's look next. This also, as I'm guessing, clone from Woodpicker's famous brand. All aluminium again, anodized painting, knobs from metal. So this is combination of metric and imperial. I do not like this because I use mainly metric, so I would like to see on both sides metrics and have opportunity to choose metric or imperial or maybe mix like this. So let's see the precision. It seems up to 100 millimeter, as you can see. It's quite precise. Yes, it's quite precise. I can feel that this is somehow there is a grooves on each, and after it they painted it on white color, so it's nice to see that. Let's try to see the whole diameter. So no 0.5 is quite well for this hole. Let's try 0. So 0.7 goes, but I think it's too thick. 0.5 for these holes, perfect. Very tight fit for marking. Again, you have here another point. For example, to mark, you can put pencil here, but you should be take into account the size of the pencil to be exactly here to the edge of this part to use this marking. Otherwise, you should every time to check and correct it. For such kind of marking, this type of much more convenient. You put and mark, that's it. This shows that you can use it for 45, but as you can see, it's not so stable here. So for precise marking, I do not think that it will be much useful, because I will show from here, it doesn't have big surface, touch surface with it, and it can easily rotating. But for some fast marking, you can see how it goes here and there. It's nice. The thickness, quite thick. I do not know why they made so thick, 3.8 millimeter. So for the price, about $4. It's okay. Nothing, not something fancy. I have another type from China. This one from Taobao, similar ruler, but this is regular ruler which you can buy with different brands. This is daily one. For the price, quite a well one and precise. As you can see, up to 10 centimeters I have 0.5 millimeter precision, as well this marking here, non-use scale, by which I can put exactly up to 0.05 millimeter precision. I do not use it for everyday work, for woodworking, cabinet making, but nice to have with you. But half millimeter and so on I use, and quite nice. As you can see, the paint looks here much more quality than this. This is something not so pleasing. So I like this type. Very simple, very precise, very easy to use. This one maybe will be useful for some rough works. So nice to have in your toolbox, but nothing special with it. So as you can see here, 1.5 inch, 3.3, so /4 inch and 1 inch. I think the distance from here, as you can see, the one is like here. Maybe I like to have a metric one. Why don't make metric? And again here as well, imperial one. So it's mainly made for imperial scale users, and metric just for reference if someone will need it. So let's have a look on this short one. This is you can use mainly for two applications. For finding center, for example, I have this, and you are doing several marking, and each time all this marking should cross in one point. In general, 3 of this line is enough. If you have very precise ruler, even 2 is enough. But for checking, as you can see, it's not exactly in the center, but maybe the roundness. This is 3D printed one, maybe because of that. Let's have another couple of lines. Just a moment and see. So as you can see, it works up to I think 1.5 millimeter precision. So you can find with this one a center of something round for making holes and other things. As well, if you have a skewer, something to find the diagonal, as you can put in this way and find diagonal of this. If let's pretend that this is square one, and with easiness just put and find diagonal of it. As you can see here, this round hole for sharp part of the material, nice to have. Just again, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I chose metric one. Why they sent imperial, I do not know, but for $3 I will not send it back, because the scale is not so something that I will use in regular base. Nice small one, the color a little bit more pleasant compared to these two. So that's it. Cheap, not so quality, but in the same time not something bad. This one quite precise. This the ruler, as you can see, precise. This is again somehow precise for 1 millimeter here there for the center of the round. I do not think that's something crucial. So I can recommend them for the price $3-4 for each one. So if you need them, you can look at the description, or have any other question for me, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.